I am Rachel Shelby, currently enrolled at Southeastern State Oklahoma University in my master's for curriculum and instruction. I am a kindergarten teacher at Bovers Elementary School in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are in Union Public School District. This class is my Innovative Leadership for Digital Age Learning environment. My purpose is to empower myself to succeed, teach valuable skills, and learn how to positively influence others. My literacy review, I used our textbook, Leadership, Research Findings, Practice, and Skills, and also Leadership and Influence blog. Some of the methods used were discussion boards amongst my peers, a leadership interview, and I used voice memo during the interview. Findings. There are many characteristics of great leaders. Some include creativity, flexibility, courage, passion for the work and the people, mindfulness, and proactive personality. For my conclusion, I have added an e-portfolio to my class website created during digital storytelling, as well as a toolbox with my leadership resources. My references are from my blog that was used and our textbook. And I've also included the websites to my class website, ePortfolio, Toolbox, and Leadership Skill Building.